Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox without downloading it. If you want to play Roblox without downloading it or the full app on your PC or mobile, so here's how you can access Roblox online without a full installation. So for us to be able to do so, you'll just have to go onto the specific website, which is www.easyfun.gg. And once you go ahead onto that website, automatically you'll see an option to go ahead and play Roblox. So there are a lot of other games that are available in here, but most importantly, we have Roblox. So if you're not seeing this onto your screen here, just simply type here Roblox. And then you should be able to see that one here. So there is a play button. Just go ahead and play that to go ahead and launch it. Now this is what it looks like once it is loading, so you'll just have to wait for this. So there are two options. You could go ahead and play as a guest, or you could go ahead and sign in to get more gaming sessions. So you'll just have to click on login to Easy Fun to go ahead and log in onto their account, and you'll have to log in as well onto your Roblox account to proceed. And that is how easy you could play Roblox without downloading it. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and then we'll see you on to our next videos.